been watching several videos that lead up to this one. Just so you know, the last 10 videos are all included with this particular video that has, oh wait, I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. Never mind. This is the video I'm talking about. Okay, part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3p38b. Okay, so we have line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8E13c9c6d3p38b. Hexahedron chiral magnets formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And of course I have a typo right away. Never fails. Okay, so this is crystal magnets, UFO spaceship engine, laser beams from the laser beams. There should be a formula. It's a magnetic formula. I always do a little cross note in Twitter so people know what the video is about, so that they can figure out if they want to watch it or not. When it's just plain old keywords, some people get bored, and so I don't want to bore them. Okay, so January 25th, 2013. Today's February 17th. So the keyword Thomsonite, a neutron diffraction, and then we have formulas from scolecite, which we're still looking at the keywords. There's quite a few of them. So line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d, 3p36a. Sorry about that. Thomsonite neutron diffraction formula 5G Wow Seti. And then you need some water. Okay. Our previous video was line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p36d. Hydrophobic zeolite materials 5G Wow Seti. That's not right. Sorry. That's from a previous video that we were doing a keyword, and guess what? I guess I added more keywords and forgot to add this. Never mind. Goes down here. Okay, sorry about that. I kept going from previous video because the keywords are all mixed in together here for some weird reason. Okay, so, and then we went to the keyword Edingtonite and tetrahedral nodes, which we were just talking about a couple of videos ago. The keywords from that previous video were line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p37, Edingtonite aluminum silicate vapor 5G Wow Seti. So that was talking about the long distance communications device. There were some formulas in there. Doesn't say formula, but there is formulas that came up in those lines. Keyword tetrahedral nodes to hexahedron. From a previous video was line 22, which was just the last one we just did. Line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38a. I believe I just created a formula on that one too. Tetrahedral nodes, edges, hexahedra, 5G Wow Seti. So, February 6th I was working on this. Keyword hexahedron. Quote from Wiki: a hexahedron, plural hexahedra, is any polyhedron with 6 faces. A cube, for example, is a regular hexahedron with all its faces square and 3 squares around each vertex. There are 7 topologically distinct convex hexahedra, one of which exists in 2 mirror image forms. 2 polyhedra are topologically distinct if they have intrinsically different arrangements of faces and vertices, such that it's impossible to distort one into the other simply by changing the lengths of the edges or the angles between the edges of faces. So there's a little picture for you. Circular polarization, circularly polarized light. See how it spins a certain way? So the keyword is chiral here. Quote from Wiki: electromagnetic wave propagation as handedness is wave polarization, and described in terms of helicity occurs as a helix. Polarization of electromagnetic wave is a property that describes the orientation, the time-varying direction vector, and amplitude of the electric field vector. For a depiction, see the image to the right, wherever that is, I don't know. Oh, sorry, there it is. There's the image to the right. Okay. February 5th, formula from data. Tetrahedral nodes, microwires, nanowires, and signals. Communication device, long distance, deep space, UFO, core, engine, levitation, sphere. Crystals, mesh information, stored, number, variables, EMAP4. I'm going to Google it to see what that is. Three-dimensional electromagnetic modeling code-based vector finite element method, FEM. And Google, quote from the blog. Oh, I'm really getting bad at this, aren't I? Naughty girl. Okay, so we're going to just put down keyword so we know which one this is being defined here. There, for the notes. Okay, EMAP4. It is a three-dimensional electromagnetic modeling code based on the vector finite element method, FEM. This version of the code is no longer supported. Okay, so I guess we don't use it anymore. mclab.mst.edu. Okay, so system plus storage plus program. Oh, hold on. Formula. I forgot to put formula from data. So this is not from their blog. This is my stuff. Okay. Alright. And this is, never mind. System storage program retrieve information mesh tetrahedron 4 nodes 6 edges 4 monopole magnets and 6 quadrupole magnets. Nodes edges tetrahedron numbered hexahedron divided 5 tetrahedra. Diagonal edge line up hexahedron 8 nodes 18 edges. Dividing hexahedron 5 tetrahedra plus tetrahedron 6 edges 8 nodes 18 8 hexahedron mesh generator. Difference between local global numbering, global node numbering ordering, x equals y equals z equals 0 plus z equals 0 plane plus higher values plus z equals 0 plane start plus y equals 0 line. Then you want higher y, then edge, numbering, general direction, edges, numbered first, starting z equals 0, plane, edges between z planes, numbered. Local numbering, global numbering, simple configuration, division, hexahedron 5 tetrahedra. Keyword, the vector finite element method, will be in the next video, which I still have to finish researching. So thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.